This is the structure of strategy pattern. We will see how this is implemented in Java source. Here is the class context. It has data member strategy. It has method set strategy, which has strategy value as parameter, and inside this method it sets the data member strategy with this value. Here is the method get strategy. Inside this it returns the data member strategy value. Here is the method context interface. Inside this method it calls the algorithm interface method of strategy object. Here is the abstract class strategy. It has abstract method algorithm interface. So will be implemented in its derived classes. Here is the class concrete strategy A derived from class strategy. It implements the method algorithm interface and inside it implements the algorithm. Here is the class concrete strategy B derived from class strategy. Here it implements the method algorithm interface. Inside it implements the algorithm. Here is the class concrete strategy C derived from class strategy. Here it implements the method algorithm interface and inside this method it implements the algorithm. Let's see the main. Here we are creating context object and here we are creating concrete strategy A object. We are calling set strategy method of context and we are passing concrete strategy A object. So it will come here. So it will set the data member strategy with concrete strategy A object. Now we are calling context interface method of context. So it will come here and inside this it will call the algorithm interface method of concrete strategy A. So it will come here and it will execute this statement. So it will display inside concrete strategy A algorithm interface. Here we are creating concrete strategy B object and we are calling the method set strategy and passing the parameter concrete strategy B object. So here it sets the data member strategy with concrete strategy B object. And when we call the context interface method of context, so it comes here and in turn it calls the algorithm interface method of concrete strategy B. So it comes here and it displays this value inside concrete strategy B algorithm interface. Now we are creating the concrete strategy C object. We are calling the method set strategy with this object. So data member strategy is set with concrete strategy C object and when we call the context interface method of context comes here, it calls the algorithm interface method of concrete strategy C. So it comes here and it displays this statement. We will run this program and we will see the output. Okay, so we can see first when context interface is called, it goes here, it calls the algorithm interface method of concrete strategy A and it display this. So we can see this here. So, okay. Next time when the context interface is called, now the strategy is concrete strategy B. So it comes here and it displays this. So we can see inside concrete strategy B algorithm interface. And in this one, concrete strategy C is the strategy. So strategy data member of context object is set with concrete strategy C object. So when context interface of context is called, it calls the algorithm interface method of concrete strategy C and it displays this one.